Prime lens. A prime lens has a fixed focal length, meaning it cannot zoom in or out. Photographers must physically move closer or farther from the subject to change the framing. Because the design is simpler than zoom lenses, prime lenses often produce sharper images and allow wider apertures, which create a shallow depth of field and strong background blur. These lenses are common in portrait photography, street photography, and low-light situations where image quality and light gathering matter more than flexibility. Zoom lens. A zoom lens allows the photographer to change focal length without switching lenses. By rotating a zoom ring, the lens can move from a wide view to a more magnified view. This flexibility makes zoom lenses very popular for travel, sports, and events where the distance to the subject constantly changes. While early zoom lenses sacrificed some image quality compared to primes, modern designs have improved significantly and are now widely used by both professionals and beginners. Wide-angle lens. A wide-angle lens captures a large field of view, allowing more of the scene to fit into the frame. These lenses typically have short focal lengths, often between 14mm and 35mm on full-frame cameras. Wide-angle lenses exaggerate perspective, making nearby objects appear larger and distant objects appear farther away. They are commonly used for landscapes, architecture, and interior photography where space is limited but a broad scene needs to be captured. Ultra-wide-angle lens. An ultra-wide-angle lens pushes the field of view even further, often reaching focal lengths of 14mm or wider. These lenses can capture extremely large scenes, sometimes showing nearly everything in front of the camera. The dramatic perspective can stretch lines and distort edges, which can either be a creative tool or something photographers must manage carefully. Ultra-wide-angle lenses are often used for sweeping landscapes, tight interiors, and creative visual effects. Telephoto lens. A telephoto lens is designed to magnify distant subjects, usually with focal lengths starting around 70mm and extending far beyond. These lenses compress perspective, making background elements appear closer to the subject. That compression effect is often flattering in portraits and useful in sports or wildlife photography, where the photographer cannot physically approach the subject. Telephoto lenses often include image stabilization to help reduce camera shake at longer focal lengths. Super telephoto lens. A super telephoto lens extends even further into extreme magnification, often reaching 300mm, 400mm, or longer. These lenses are commonly seen at sporting events and wildlife reserves where photographers need to capture subjects hundreds of meters away. Because of their size and weight, super telephoto lenses are frequently mounted on tripods or monopods. Their ability to isolate distant subjects has made them essential tools for professional sports and wildlife photography. Macro lens. A macro lens is designed to capture extremely small subjects at very close distances while maintaining sharp detail. These lenses can reproduce subjects at life size or greater on the camera sensor, revealing textures and structures invisible to the naked eye. Macro lenses are often used for photographing insects, flowers, jewelry, and other detailed objects. Their optical design ensures sharpness even at close focusing distances where ordinary lenses would struggle. Fisheye lens. A fisheye lens is an extreme wide-angle lens that intentionally produces strong distortion. Straight lines near the edges of the frame curve dramatically, creating a rounded, almost spherical appearance. This effect allows the lens to capture an enormous field of view, sometimes up to 180 degrees. Fisheye lenses are commonly used for creative photography, action sports, and certain scientific or surveillance applications where capturing as much of a scene as possible is important. Tilt-shift lens. A tilt-shift lens allows parts of the lens to physically tilt or shift relative to the camera sensor. This unusual movement gives photographers control over perspective and focus in ways that standard lenses cannot provide. Architects and real estate photographers use tilt-shift lenses to keep vertical lines straight when photographing tall buildings. The tilt function can also create a very selective focus effect, sometimes making real scenes resemble miniature models. Pancake lens. A pancake lens is extremely thin and compact compared to most other lenses. Its small size makes cameras easier to carry and less noticeable in public spaces. Pancake lenses are often prime lenses with moderate focal lengths, providing simple operation and decent image quality in a very portable form. Street photographers and travelers often prefer them because they keep camera setups lightweight and discreet. Kit lens. A kit lens is the basic zoom lens often included when someone buys a new camera body. These lenses are designed to be affordable, lightweight, and versatile for beginners. Most kit lenses cover a moderate zoom range that can handle everyday photography, such as family photos, travel, and general scenes. While they may not offer the widest apertures or the sharpest performance, they provide an accessible starting point for learning how different focal lengths affect images.